Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the Canva app not opening on your device. If the app crashes, freezes, or stays stuck on the loading screen, the first thing you should do is restart your phone or tablet, because temporary system glitches can stop apps from launching properly. Next, check your internet connection, because Canva requires a stable connection to load projects and account data. After that, go to your device settings and clear the Canva app cache. Corrupted cache files are one of the most common reasons the app fails to open. You should also make sure the Canva app is updated to the latest version from the Play Store or App Store. Older versions sometimes become unstable after new updates are released. If the problem continues, check your device storage, because low storage space can prevent apps from working correctly. Another useful fix is uninstalling and reinstalling the Canva app completely. This refreshes all app files and removes corrupted data. Finally, if Canva still will not open, the issue may be related to temporary server problems, so wait a few minutes and try again later for the app to start working normally again. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.